location. Part mad and part not mad, if that makes sense. A little bit of I'm here. They said I'd be here by 4, and the latest I could be here at 4. It's 3:46 right now. I've been here since like 3:20. Then I offloaded me. We're closing 20 minutes. Get out of here. So yeah, then I offloaded me. I gotta come back tomorrow morning at 7. Of course, I'm getting paid that late overtime. I don't play that. I don't play that, cool. But I had a nice load too. Good thing it didn't go through, because I would be mad right now. I had a nice load going back to Florida, but it's all good. I ain't tripping. I'm going about 10 wings of fried. Hey, if you're Tampa, you understand that lingo. Alright? I'll let y'all. Early morning, Dallas.
Left at the fork to continue on I.
Gotta clean up my glass, boy. That's a horrible place to be, buddy. Yeah. It's me over here. Can't see though. Yeah, they wanted to go home yesterday. That's what that was. I did not know Dallas traffic was so crazy. Good morning, people. I'm currently at my location, waiting to be offloaded. There's another guy here. Classic Love, I like that name. He's getting offloaded right now. You know, he was here before me this morning. They said be here at 7. He was here. I got here at like 6:58. Usually I'm super early, but I did not know Dallas traffic was like that. Dallas traffic was crazy. I left like at 6:15. I was right down the street. But it's all good. So once they offload him, they're gonna offload me. I said, but we're just here waiting right now. As I'm waiting to edit the video, I'm gonna drop the y'all. I got another video I'm about to drop the y'all, so I'm editing that right now. You over start. Yeah. Check that game out. Yeah, we almost done. Yes sir, that load is done. I had to get up out of there quick, man. I know y'all see me in the driving seat. I had to get up out of there quick, man, because I got 2 loads to go pick up, both going to Florida, you know, and I should have room to pick up another load going to Florida. So I gotta move fast. When you're doing partials, you gotta move fast. So let me just tell you guys just a little bit about what that was. That load was a little bit different. You know, I haven't done something like that before, but what that company does is they sell those machines to the people I dropped it off to those people. And what those people do is they fix them up and sell them back. So I guess other casinos, who else gonna buy them? But they have a whole warehouse full of them. Now the guy that got the machines, I was asking a lot of questions. I was trying to see something. If there's something I can slide in on. I said, so where you get the machines from? You know his answer was? I know a guy. I don't know if he knew what I was doing or what. Hey, if there was an opportunity, I'm always open to the opportunity. So I know a guy. But yeah, that's what those people do, man. They fix them up and sell them back to, I guess, other casinos. So, you know, I am the plug, guys. I'm telling you, man. I got slot machines for sale. You're overstunned. Yeah. But I'm about to go pick up these 2 loads. It's time to head back home. They ain't too far, but I think like 30 minutes apart. And I still should have at least 5 feet of space. I can fit at least 1-2 pallets on each side, you know? But I'm gonna holler at y'all though. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Like, subscribe.